So hello everyone, and in the previous program I discussed how to find the biggest of three numbers using pointers, okay, in C language. In this video, I'm going to solve a question that is write a program to print a character, also print its ASCII value and rewrite the character in uppercase. So here we want to print a character. We have to take value of a character from user, okay, and then we have to convert its character value into its ASCII value, okay, its ASCII value, and then we have to write same character in uppercase. For example, if we take the value a b c d, then it must be converted into a capital b capital c and capital D, okay. So how we will gonna do that? So for starting, hash include stdio.h, that is the main header file in C language. Another header file hash include conio.h. Now int main. Now we are using C language, and in which we have to use concept of pointer. So first we will declare int data type, and the character will be ch. Any variable name you can choose as per your convenience. Then the pointer will be pch is equal to and ch. This is how both the pointer variable and normal variable are related to each other. Now we have to take value from the user, enter the character, okay. Then we will write the scanner for taking the value as character from the user. Then we will use percentage C as formatted specifier, because we are supposed to take value as a character, not as a number. If we are supposed to take the value as a number, then we may use percent %f. If we use float data type, or here in this condition we are using int data type, we may use percent %d, but we want to take the value as a character. So for taking value as a character, single character, we use percent %c as a formatted specifier. Now the pointer name, and the pointer name is pch, okay. Then scanf close. Then we show the values to the user. The character entered is percent %c. Here the pointer will be used, dereference pointer. Again printf, and yeah, and the ASCII value of character is percent %d. So here we will use percent %d as a formatted specifier, because we are supposed to take value as a ASCII value, and the ASCII value is a number. So here to take number using int data type, we always use formatted specifier named as percent %d, okay. And the pointer name is again pch. Now the question demands that also prints its ASCII value and rewrite the character in uppercase. So here the ASCII value part is done here, and now we want to convert that particular character from lowercase to uppercase. If the user enters any lowercase such as b, c, d, e, f, any letter which is in lowercase, we want to convert it automatically into uppercase. So here we will use the concept of ASCII value. So you know that capital A ASCII value is 65, okay, and uh, capital Z ASCII value is 92. Similarly, small a ASCII value is 97, and small z ASCII value is 122. So here we can see that the difference between these two numbers, I'm sorry, it is 132, the ASCII value of small z. So here we can see that the difference between 132 and 92 is what? It's 32. It is 32. The difference between small z ASCII value and capital Z ASCII value is 32 here. So here we will the logic here will be, we first take the value as the normal character, that is in lowercase ASCII value, and then we will subtract 32 from it. Okay, we will subtract 32 from it. Then that lowercase character will be automatically converted into um, a capital character. Okay, and that character will be our output, and it will be our the result. So for example, if we uh, write the character such as z, then it will automatically decline or automatically deduct the value 124 minus 32, and what will be the output? 92. And it will automatically convert that particular ASCII number, ASCII value, into its character, and that character will be of capital Z. So here in this manner, the lowercase character will be converted into a capital character. Okay, so these all things are in comment. Now the main code: printf slash n, the char in uppercase is percent %c, and what will be percent %c? It will deduct 32 from it. Okay, so it will be p ch, that is the main pointer variable, minus 32. Okay, and the concept behind this I have till in this. Okay, so at last return 0. Now mm, now we can just go to execute icon, then compile, and the name will be any name that you want, you can write here. And here you can see that there is no errors and there is no warnings. So we will go to again execute option and then run. Here the enter the character, so here I write Z, and you can see that the character entered is small z. The ASCII value of the character is 122, and the character in uppercase is capital Z. So here it is clear that. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if there is any doubt you can write in comment section, or you can directly mail me. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye.